In this video, we're going to look at the second of two methods for printing pack slips for a given hatch date. And this will be using the web application. So here we are in the web application. It's pink because we're using the training system. But we're going to go to the shipping category and to the print pack slips page. So the first thing we've got to do here is select the shipping date. So we're going to go ahead and select February 5th of 2018, and the system tells us there are 9 unprinted orders. If we go down here and just click list, we can get a quick list of all the orders that are unprinted on that date. Now this only shows orders that have not yet printed the pack slip. Now if you have, this is a small number here, but if you have a large number of orders to print for, you might want to filter them so that you can print various groups at a time. So for example, since Texas is kind of far away from us, let's print only the Texas pack slips first. So we're going to, these boxes here, these are all filter boxes, except for this last one, which lets you specify the order in which you want to sort the sequence in which you want to sort the orders. So let's start here with a state filter. So that show just means show me the values, and we're going to go down here and find Texas. Click on that. We're going to go ahead and hide that list. Now the filter is still in place, it's just hidden so it doesn't take up space. And we'll go ahead and list the orders again, and now there are only 3 orders that we're going to focus in on for shipping to Texas. Let's go ahead and mess with the sort a little bit. Now the normal, there's a bunch of different values that you could sort on. The normal sort is just by order ID. Let's go ahead and, just for the fun of it, sort by customer last name ascending. We'll go ahead and hide the detail, although it's still there, and we'll list. And now we've got the orders sorted in last name sequence, and you can do any combination of these filters. So here's a filter by breed. We're not going to do that one. Here's a filter by the various services, like the vaccinations, or a sort by ship method. Most of these will all ship the same way, so that doesn't really apply in most cases. Whether or not the order was carried along. So in a previous video we talked about the carry along flag. So if you had to carry orders from one date to the next, you might want to print those first on the next ship date, so you could filter only those that were carried along or not. We're going to go ahead and stick with our current list of 3 orders for Texas. So here's there are listed. The ones that are checked are the ones that will print. We'll go ahead and leave these all checked, so that means we're going to print 3 orders. We're going to click that button. Now the system is going to open a new tab with a PDF in it that has the pack slips for our 3 selected orders. We would go ahead and print those. We would click that button. I'm not going to print them now, but normally we could. And then when we close that tab, we're coming back to the original tab, and this again is very important, the same way it was in the ship orders tab of the order entry program. We need to mark those orders as printed so that we don't accidentally print them again. So now then, we've marked those 3 orders printed, and there are now only 6 unprinted orders. So if we list again, we don't have any because we've already printed the 3 Texas orders. We can go ahead and clear that filter, and we'll go ahead and clear the sort filter as well and list again. And now we've got the remaining 6 orders, so maybe that's enough. We could go ahead and print those again. Print those again. We get a new PDF in a separate tab. We would print it, and when we close that tab, we get back to the original order. Again, it's important to mark those as printed so that we don't inadvertently print them again. So now when we list, we don't get any matching orders. This count is down to 0, so we have printed now all the orders that we need to print for that particular hatch date. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.